Hey guys, Gaming Dean here, and I'm back with another video on Rebuild 2. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm on day 1, just started, and I guess let's play. Okay, so I'm going to want to put people on the crops. I have played this game before, a long time ago. This game is so old. Yeah, this was actually one of the first games that I ever played on PC. Yeah, so that's me. Isn't he beautiful? Yeah. We're gonna need some backup. Some backup. Yet I still don't know how to play. Okay. So, that's when we end day 1. And we got a new person. Recruitment success. I knew it. Where should we go next? Let's go to the church. Guys, I'm so sorry about this iPhone recording. I feel so unprofessional. I know that sounds pretty stupid, but I really do. Pretty soon, though, guys, I will be getting a recording set. Okay, full on. Okay, I'll still do vlogs, but it's gonna be a lot better gaming. Just wait. We'll get there. In time. In a lot of time. I hope now vlogs and these crappy little videos are good for you guys. And if you guys don't want any of these gaming videos anymore with this little iPhone, then just say it, and I'll just start trying to make vlogs. Yeah, alright. Aw, already? And the fort held. Alrighty. So next, hope this is entertaining for you guys. Hope it is. Safe-ish. You see that? Safe-ish. No food, nobody, but it's safe-ish. Yeah. You know, this game's pretty cool for a zombie game. It's really hard to find some good zombie games out there. And eventually, I want to play a game called DayZ. If you guys have ever heard of that. But I want to do that when I get my recording set. Okay, because that's a really good zombie game. That's what I've been told. And yeah, I've seen videos on it. Probably a couple of you guys have heard of it. But yeah. But for now, this is all I can do. You know, these little free games. I'm broke. Not even telling you guys about the game. Yeah, so the basics is put people on this farm. See that? Right over there? Yeah, I see it. And you want to put people on guard duty. We'll put Ethan and Brock. So yeah, now my fort will be protected a little bit more. You know, we'll start getting food. And that is your food. I am -6. Yeah, that's bad. 4 out of 50 people. Happiness is at 55% for all my people. And then I got 10 out of 10 people. Let's do this. God, I'm just the best video game commentator in the world. Huh? huh? I hope this is amusing for you guys. I'm just sending everyone out. Scavenge for scraps. Can I just use these arrows? Oh, I can. Well, that makes things a little bit easier to move around. And I get too many people. Let's go scout. So yeah, you can only send out one person to scout. If you click 2, I don't know, you can. I feel pretty stupid. Wow. Did they really update this? Now I feel like an idiot. Thanks, game. Boy. God. That's some ugly looking people. So yeah, guys, I need some suggestions. If any of you guys can comment down there. I'm gonna need some suggestions for like free games. I will be, trying to go on Steam, but most of that takes money. Some of the good games, right? Does Steam take money? I think it does. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas, just comment down below, and just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.